Welcome, in front of me is a Huawei Pura 7D Ultra, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, open up your settings and then swipe all the way down to System and Update, and then in here you'll find Reset. Once you click on it, you're going to select Reset Phone. This will in turn present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process. Now this data will include, more importantly, things like music, photos, files, and user downloaded content. So if you have anything from this kind of categories, make a backup copy of it, assuming you want to keep it. Now, we can just select Reset Phone now. If you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it. I also think you might need to confirm your Huawei account if you have one logged in. We also have the option to back up our device right up here if you want to. Keep in mind this will be backing up your device to the Huawei cloud. Now if you're trying to back it up because you got a new phone, doing this backup will not be available to you as a restore option on other devices that are not Huawei's. So this is only utilized for Huawei phones and nothing else. So keep that in mind, as it might cause you some problems. Anyway, I don't want to back up my device. I'm just going to select Reset Phone. This will now begin erasing everything, and then reboot the device. Once it boots up, we'll be presented with the setup screen. Now this might take about a minute, 2 minutes or so to finish up, so just give it some time. Once it's finished, obviously we'll be presented with the setup screen. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.